guys, welcome back to Two Modern Vegans.
We're back.
I know we've been gone for a little bit, but we're back now. Today we're making beer-battered fish tacos.
Yeah, with a nice garlic sriracha sauce. You guys are gonna love this. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already.
We have some exciting news. Our website is now live, so you can go on to twomodernvegans.com and you can see all recipes, and we have a shopping list on there, and we also have a blog on there too. So you guys should definitely check it out. It's great. Basically, we made this recipe. We used tofu. So we know not everyone is a fan of tofu. So if you do like tofu, this is the recipe for you. If not,
so you're gonna have to marinate this tofu. We marinated it for about an hour, but we recommend that you marinate it for about anywhere from 6 hours to 24 hours at most. Here are the ingredients that you're gonna need.
Alright guys, so we're going to start out with 1 block of firm tofu, and right now what I'm doing is I'm wrapping it in a lot of paper towel, and I'm going to place a cast iron skillet on top, and I'm going to let that sit for about an hour to try to drain out all the liquid. Next, you can unwrap it, of course, and then we're going to thinly slice it in about 4. Afterwards, we're going to go ahead now and we're going to try to cut out shapes to make them look like little filet-o-fishes. So it doesn't have to be perfect, of course, but it basically should look something like this. And of course, with the excess tofu, you can save that. Next, we're going to go in with 4 cups of miso broth, a teaspoon of sea salt, a tablespoon of nori sheet, a teaspoon of Old Bay, and we're gonna use some more nori sheet because we want to get this as fishy as possible. And once you add that, you can mix it all up, and then you can place your tofu inside the pan. And I added some lemons, and then we're gonna cover that with foil, and we're gonna let that sit in the refrigerator for about an hour, or 24 hours is best. Next, you're going to go in with 1.5 cups of flour and 1/2 cup of cornstarch, a tablespoon of Old Bay seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of sea salt, and another teaspoon of nori sheet. You're going to give that a good mix, but I also forgot to add the turmeric, so you could go back and you could put in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. You're going to take the tofu out the refrigerator, and you're going to place it on clean paper towels, and you're just going to press out a little bit of the liquid. Not all of it, but you know, a good amount, because you don't want it to be too wet. And next, we're going to get kind of crafty here. We're gonna cut some nori sheets up, and we're gonna try to get it to the same shape to fit the back of the tofu, and you want it to not be too big because it won't stay on there, so make it smaller if you can. And it basically should look something like this. You'll put some lemon juice on top to help it stick, and I sprinkled it with a little bit of sea salt at the end. Next, we're going to go in with 1/2 cup of cashews that was already boiled, 3 cloves of garlic, 1/4 cup of vegan mayo, 1/2 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of sriracha, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. And you're going to go ahead and you're going to blend that up, and you're going to put that to the side. Next, we're going to go in with our beer. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to get your beer. We're going to start off with a cup, but you will need more. And you want to get this mixture to like a pancake mixture type consistency. So you're going to have to add a little bit more than a cup, but it basically should look something like this. Afterwards, you're gonna coat each side of your tofu and you're gonna fry it in your pan until each sides are golden brown. And it basically should look something like this. You're gonna put it on a paper towel, and basically this is it, you guys. That's how it should look. And next we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna plate it. I put some purple cabbage on a corn tortilla, 2 pieces of the tofu. I also squeezed a little bit of lemon on top, and I sliced up some avocado and I put in there, because what's a taco without avocado? I topped it with our Sriracha garlic sauce, and I sprinkled a bit of parsley on top. And this is our plate, you guys. It looks so good, and I promise you that it tastes even better. I hope you guys enjoy.
Alright guys, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. Also be sure to follow us on Instagram and like our Facebook page. We really appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe.
Turn on your notification bell. Also leave comments, and don't forget to send us feedback, because we love hearing from you guys. And go check out our website.
Oh yeah, don't forget to check out our website. Please let us know what you think.
Alright guys.
Bye.